You ever start a woodworking project feeling really confident, like everything's going to go smoothly, and then halfway through, you realize something's off, measurements don't line up, pieces don't fit, and suddenly you were wasting time and materials trying to fix it. I've been there, and trust me, nothing drains your motivation faster than bad plans. After more than 20 years working as a carpenter and cabinet maker, I've learned that the success of any project really comes down to one thing. We're starting with high quality plans. That's actually why I started using Ted's woodworking plans. What stood out to me wasn't just the number, over 16,000 plans, but how detailed and easy they are to follow. Everything is clearly laid out, which means less guesswork and fewer mistakes. I'll leave a link below if you want to check it out. And in a future video, I'll show you how I personally use these plans to speed up my projects.